Hi everyone and welcome back to my Uber Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Uber driver requirements for Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Firstly, just sign up online Uber and it is very simple, so I am not going waste time on it. Let's talk about what kind of share your documents with Uber. Take pictures of these papers and put them on your account. Number 1. Driver's license. You must be 21 years old or more, and Uber accept Class 1, 2, or 4 licenses. Class 5 is not accepted. Don't use flash when taking the picture so Uber team can read your information clearly. If you have a temporary license, include a photo ID, like a passport or residency card, in the same picture to prove it's you. Number 2. Proof of work eligibility. Use a photo or the real document of your birth certificate, citizenship card, passport, permanent PR card, work permit, social insurance number card or letter, study permit, if it says you can work off campus unrelated to your program of study, certificate of Indian status, Canadian Forces identification card, or Nexus card. Don't use flash when taking the picture so Uber team can read your information clearly. They don't accept scanned copies. Number 3. If you have a letter extending your work permit, take a picture of the letter and your work permit together. Number 4. If you're waiting for your new PR card, take a picture of your current PR card and a letter saying your PR card is being renewed. Now, let's talk about get your Class 4 driver's license in Calgary. To drive with Uber in Calgary, you must have a valid Class 1, 2, or 4 license. If already have a Class 1, 2, or 4 license, you can skip this step. Now, let's talk about getting your Class 4 license in Calgary. There are 3 steps to get Class 4 license in Calgary. Book a medical exam. Medical exams may have different costs and are necessary to get your Class 4 driver's license. Download the medical examination form for motor vehicle operators and have a doctor fill it out. Complete the knowledge test. The Class 4 knowledge test questions are based on information from the Commercial Driver's Guide and the Driver's Guide. The test is 30 multiple choice questions and you'll need to score a minimum of 25 correct responses to pass. Schedule your road test. Once you've passed your Class 4 knowledge test, schedule a Class 4 road test at an Alberta registry that offers them. Each registry will have a different booking process and different vehicle requirements, so make sure you've reviewed these before taking your test. Now, let's talk about get a 3-year driver abstract. Head to any Alberta registry and obtain a 3-year driver abstract. Once you receive your abstract, you can upload a copy to your driver account by logging into the app. To become a driver, you'll need to add your 3-year personal driver abstract to your Uber profile. Ensure all information is readable and not blurry. Make sure that all 4 corners of the document are visible. Let's understand what is a driver abstract in Canada. Your driver abstract is a summary of your driving record. It includes your merit and demerit points, convictions, and suspensions. You can order your personal driver abstract at your nearest registry agent location. Let's talk about abstract requirements to drive using Uber in Calgary. Your driver abstract must be for a 3-year period or more and must have been obtained within the last 30 days. You cannot have a single major conviction on your abstract, and no more than 3 minor convictions. You cannot have license suspensions or any convictions for failure to produce insurance. Merit courses have no impact on abstract eligibility. How to get a driver abstract in Calgary, Alberta. Visit your nearest registry agent. A Service Alberta registry can provide your driver abstract. You'll need to bring an accepted form of ID with you. Fill out application. Take your application to a Service Alberta registry agent. Wait to sign and date your form in front of the registry agent clerk. Upload your abstract. Once you receive your driver abstract, upload it through the Uber driver app or upload your documents. Next step is that complete your background screening. Once you've obtained your Class 1, 2, or 4 license, you can begin your police information check. When you're creating your account, remember to share your results with Uber Canada. There are 2 ways to complete your screening: online. Visit Calgary Police Services Epic online system. When filling out the form, select Uber Canada as the agency you are applying for. Once your Epic is completed, ensure you also share your results with Uber Canada when prompted to share your results with an agency. at your local Calgary Police/RCMP station. Bring 2 pieces of valid government-issued ID with you to a Calgary Police Service location. Upload your document to your profile within 60 days from the date it was retrieved. Next step is that meet the vehicle requirements. Make sure your vehicle is road ready by getting your Class 1 to 55 vehicle registration and completing an Enhanced Livery Vehicle Inspection Standards inspection. Get your Class 1 to 55 vehicle registration. Visit your nearest Service Alberta registry to get a Class 1 to 55 vehicle registration. Complete an Enhanced Livery Vehicle Inspection Standards vehicle inspection. To drive with Uber in Calgary, your vehicle must pass an Enhanced Livery Vehicle Inspection Standards, ELVIS, check by a licensed mechanic who has a copy of the Enhanced Livery Vehicle Inspection Standards inspection form. Next step is that driver training program. The city will send you a link to complete their online training course via email. You will have 30 days to complete the training upon receiving the email. Please complete this as soon as possible in order to get your Transportation Network Driver's License, TNDL. The City of Calgary has implemented new charges for its training program effective January 1, 2022. To offset the charges imposed by the city for its training program, $95 will be deducted from your future earnings, excluding tips, in 2 installments of $47.50 each. The $95 covers the city's charges for its training program, which will focus on providing transportation to passengers with disabilities, cultural diversity, driver safety enforcement and bylaw information. For more information, see the city's mandatory training program. Now, let's talk about Transportation Network Driver's License. After all your documents are uploaded and approved, Uber will apply for your TNDL with Vehicle for Hire, VFH. Important note, VFH must receive your ELVIS inspection that was obtained in the last 30 days and background check that was obtained within the last 60 days to be eligible for a TNDL. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for Uber to process your documents to send to VFH. Uber stickers. Under local regulations for Calgary, all drivers must display Uber stickers on their vehicle while online. Place one on your front windshield on the passenger side, and the other on your rear windshield on the driver's side, both facing outward. Not displaying Uber stickers can result in fines. If you have any questions about your driver abstract or any of the other steps to becoming a driver, come meet Uber team of Uber experts at the nearest Uber Greenlight. They'll answer any questions that you have and help you get started.